안녕하세요, 여러분. Today, let's learn very similar Korean adverbs. Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEyo. My name is Inyo. So today, I'm gonna talk about 5 different Korean adverbs which are very similar. 아주, 매우, 너무, 정말, 진짜. You probably heard at least one of them from either K-dramas or Korean lyrics, but I'm pretty sure you know it as really. But I like to make some distinctions between two bundles here. First, I'm gonna make one bundle, very, and second bundle is really. So I'm gonna put 아주, 매우, 너무 for the very category. On the other hand, I'm gonna put 진짜 and 정말 for the second category, really. I'm gonna ask you a question. Do you know the difference between very and really even in English? They're both very similar and used as adverbs in statement sentences. But can you say very as a question? You could ask back, really? But you never say very. Really, the second bundle, you can use it on its own. So that's why I put those Korean words into these categories because they behave the same way as these English words. 아주, 너무, 매우 are used as very, which means that you use them as part of sentences. On the other hand, 정말, 진짜 are used as really. They can be used as part of sentences as well, but they can also be used alone. For example, this food is very spicy. 이 음식은 아주 매워요. This 음식은 food with subject particle 아주, very, 매워요. It's from a verb 맵다, to be spicy. 아주 is used as part of this sentence. This adverb can be interchangeably used with any other adverb. 매우, 너무, 정말, 진짜. Either is fine. But if you want to ask back, really? Is that spicy? Then you may use 정말요? 진짜요? The car is very fast. 그 자동차는 매우 빨라요. the 자동차, car는 subject particle, 매우, very, 빨라요. It's from a verb, 빠르다, to be fast. 그 자동차는 매우 빨라요. 매우 is used as, 매우 can be again interchangeably used with any other adverb. But if I want to ask to that statement, really? Is the car that fast? 정말요? 진짜요? Clothes are very small. 옷이 너무 작아요. 옷 is clothes. 이 subject particle. 너무 very. 작아요 is from a verb 작다. 옷이 너무 작아요. Clothes are very small. Here again, this adverb 너무 can be interchangeably used with any other adverb. And you can interpret this phrase as clothes is too small. So I'm gonna give you guys homework. First one, learning Korean is very fun. You can use any of the adverbs that we discussed today. Second, I don't like kimchi. That's a statement, and you're asking back, really? Make sure to leave your answers in the comment down below. Hopefully this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to smash the like and share this video with your friends and families. I really appreciate all the support from every single one of you. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye.